Welcome back to my channel. Now in this video we will see the week 3 assignment 3 of the advanced computer architecture in Nptel. So the first question is which of the following are the roles of decoding unit of the pipeline. So it will not expand the immediate values because it will remains that values and compute the branch target if branch is taken. So this is also correct, and also though there is no uh, the branch, so it will find out the branch target, that's why it is also correct. So create the instruction packet. So these three are the correct options. So 2 3 and 4 are the correct option. And then while coming to the second question, so most of the reduced instruction set computers converts the instructions from this complex instruction set computer processor format to the reduced instruction set computer. Okay, so that is reduced instruction set computer processors internally converts the complex instruction set computer processors to the reduced instruction set computer. Okay, so that's what the answer for the second question. And then we'll discuss about the third question. So what are the advantages of adding the CSP register and the stack pointer circulation logic in the decoding stage of the processor pipeline? So choose the most appropriate option. So see here, loading instruction to the stack can be issued early. For loading and storing on the stack, the address need not to be computed in the pipeline. So it reduces the dynamic instruction count further in the pipeline. So all the options are correct. So which of the following techniques is not used to create reduced width instructions? Reduced view of architectural registers are used. Sorry, architecture registers is not used to create this reduced width instructions. Okay, so again, then remaining three options will be used to create reduced width instructions. And then which of the following dependencies does the register renaming remove? So output dependencies and the data dependencies are the dependencies that the register renaming remove. Okay, and then we'll discuss about the sixth question. So in the rename stage, the register alias table is used to translate the architectural register ID to the physical register ID, while the free list maintains a list of unmapped physical registers. So that's what the answer for this. And then to handle a load use hazard, we broadcast the tag 2 cycles. Okay, so we use 2 cycles after the load instruction get selected. Then eighth question, a producer instruction can let all the consumer instructions know that the value of the destination register is ready through the broadcast mechanism. So broadcast is the correct answer. And then match the following. So available bit is available in this rename table. So ready bit is used in this instruction window. And then choose the option with the correct order of defining pipeline stages. So rename, dispatch, wake up, and the broadcast. So these are the stages in the different stages in the pipeline architecture. Okay, now we'll submit these answers. So the answers are submitted successfully. So guys, don't forget to subscribe. Please share with your friends. Thank you.